So today, you'll be learning how to copy your profile link on REDnote. So the first step is to launch REDnote, and then from here you need to access your profile. To do that, you want to tap on the Me option in the bottom right corner of your screen. And then once you've selected Me, at the top, you should see this share icon next to the scan QR code icon. So you want to tap on that share icon, and then this will open this options menu at the bottom labeled Share To. At the options menu, you want to select Copy Link, like that, and then the link will be copied and saved to your clipboard. So now you can choose to open an email or a message, and on that specific message, you can actually paste the link right there, like that. And then once you've pasted it, you should see this appearing on your screen. So whether it's an email, it's a message, it's a WhatsApp, whatever it is, you should be able to see this appearing on your screen every time you paste it. And so now whenever the recipient taps on that link, they'll be able to access and view your profile. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.